Coffee Break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm here with my FabFitFun winter unboxing. I'm super excited because last year the fall and winter box caused me a pretty permanent scar in my heart, and it's been hard to recover from how good those boxes were. Do you guys remember last winter box we got Exfoliate from Kate Somerville? Yeah, I haven't forgotten either. So if you guys are unfamiliar, I do partner up every quarter with FabFitFun to bring you guys an unboxing of their seasonal box. That means that this is a box that you get 4 times a year. Price of the box is $49.99, but like I told you guys, it's every season, and each box, the value of each box is easily $200 or more. So today we're gonna jump into it, and it's in collaboration with the Kindness Factory, which is a company that promotes random acts of kindness in your community. So we're gonna get into this box. How cool does it look like? I'm just relaxing. Just relaxing with my leopard print sweater on here, but it's really my FabFitFun box. Should we just get into it? If you guys have been meaning to check it out, I do have a discount code for you guys, which is a non-affiliate code. I'm not making commission if you use it. It is Coffee Dani. I'm over here trying to open it, and I need to get through the sticker first. So if you guys haven't heard of FabFitFun, I know you're lying because everyone has. It is a box that comes with all full-size products. So all of the products in here are full size, and it includes all kinds of products, from beauty to wellness to fitness to fashion. I mean, every part of our life that would make us a little bit excited and feel like a little present every season is going to be included in this box. Sometimes you'll get coupons, samples, snacks in here as well. So let's jump right in. I'm particularly excited about this box, even though I don't know what's in it, because I heard that there are a lot of products in here by female-owned brands, including Anthropologie. So I'm excited to look inside. I don't know why I have this much restraint when it comes down to FabFitFun. Like, I would normally just jump right in, but I'm like, well, I gotta take my time. It's for my pandas. I gotta do it right. So it comes with a little magazine. Sometimes it looks like a pamphlet. Other times it looks like a little newspaper. And on the inside it features, you know, more information about who they collaborated with that season, like Kindness Factory. It will talk about a specific celebrity and what they're doing. It'll talk about the products in the box. So FabFitFun is doing this new thing in their little handouts, and that's why it's important for you guys to like actually read these, which I never do. I will tell you guys, I never ever read, and then I'm like, oh wow, what? And I find out later, and I'm like, oh, it was there the whole time. So I don't know if you guys can tell up here. It says, if it's this light teal box, it's in every box. If it's in this violet colored box, it's for all members, which means all members get the chance to customize these options in their box. And then if it's in the violet box, or this lavender colored box, I said lavender, violet, whatever. This is the bluer one, this is the purpley one. It says select members. Only select members get to customize these options in their box. Otherwise, these items are randomly selected for your box. So some people get to choose, others do not. So if you are an annual membership holder, then you get a choice. It's not random. This one is random, and then this one, everyone gets it. If you look at the breakdown, it's all color coded, so you can tell what choices you had, which ones you didn't, which ones everyone got, which ones you're missing out on when you really secretly want. So you're gonna call your girlfriend to see if she got it, and then you guys can trade. Not like I do that or anything. I may confess that sometimes Sam will bring FabFitFun things toting in her suitcase when she comes to visit, and we do a little swapperoo action, okay, you guys? Anyway, so let's jump right into the box. So you guys can tell I haven't peeked. All right, so the very first thing I see here is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. This is an intense care for dry or damaged hair. Why does this look familiar? I feel like this packaging looks incredibly familiar. And I already have a person that I'm gonna give this to. I bet you it smells amazing. Ooh, that smells so good. Then, ooh, we have an amuse-bouche lipstick from Bite Beauty. This is fancy, you guys. I got the shade Meringue, a Bite Beauty full-size lipstick. What are these? They retail for what, like 25 bucks maybe? It probably says in the magazine. Look how pretty this color is. Ooh, what's the retail price for this? Let's look in my little cheat sheet. So this is for select members. If you have the annual membership or if you're one of the select members, you get to pick from Body Sliders, a 4-piece coaster set, or the amuse-bouche lipstick in meringue. So everyone got this color, or this is the only color option. Wow, that smells good too. I also have a Jade Roller. I've actually been rolling after I apply my nighttime serum, and mine is a rose quartz one. So I can't vouch for a Jade Roller, but if you guys are rollers, you guys need to let us know if it's a big difference. Does it make a difference which stone you use? Is it, does it matter if it's a jade one? Does it matter if it's a rose quartz? I know with the rose quartz, it's supposed to be more of like a positive attraction towards good things in life. But this is a jade one, so I don't know if it actually makes a significant or substantial difference. Because if it does, I'll be double fisting rolling my face, okay? And just swapping it around, the rose quartz and the jade. Make sure I get even coverage. No, just a little bit. Okay, then we have the Haba Hydration Cream Mask. This was in every box. Enriched with mineral, spring water, shea butter, and vitamin, this creamy mask softens skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. It retails for $33. Used as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. These hydration masks are becoming so super popular. I can't say I'm a fan of a hydration mask. I feel like I'm not really doing anything of significant purpose. I'll go in with like a super hydrating gel moisturizer, but then I don't have to remove it. You know what I mean? I wonder if this one needs to be removed. If it doesn't, I'll definitely give it a try. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. See? Unless I can leave it on. Okay, this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. I think everyone got this one in the shade Stella. It's a champagne cream shadow pencil. How pretty is that? I think Thrive Cosmetics is one of those non-toxic green beauty brands, and they're also called cosmetics, like for a good cause. I don't know much about the brand though. I do remember though when I was looking into green beauty brands that I found this brand because of the color of the packaging. And I was like, wow, if I really like their products, that's awesome because it's one of my favorite colors. You guys are judging me, aren't you? Then this is another product that all of us get in the FabFitFun box, and this is from a brand called Black, and these are their Hyaluronic Acid Eye Masks. You get a set of 5, and these are for puffy or swollen under eyes. You know what? I should just leave my tweezers out. And I should probably have a little pair of scissors around here so that I stop using tweezers to open things. But it's how we roll. I'm a huge fan of under eye masks. I feel like they do a really great difference. It's temporary, but I feel like before you're getting ready or when you're blow drying your hair or, I don't know, whatever you're doing before you do your makeup, if you have those extra 5 to 10 minutes to apply these under eye gels, it really does make a difference with your makeup application, with the way that your under eye looks. You also can keep them in the fridge for like a better, quicker, more refreshing experience with your eye masks. So super excited about these. These are $22 for a set of 5 pairs. We also have the Elevate 2 essential oils in eucalyptus and sweet orange. I got these as my winter add-ons as well. I think I got a set of 4. So I'm excited to see these come in here as well because they are the full-size products of them. I have a friend of mine and she's kind of opening my eyes towards the essential oils life because my boyfriend's actually allergic to my wallflowers. For years and years and years and years, I've used Bath & Body Works wallflowers to keep my house It's more so to absorb and to neutralize odors because I have 4 dogs, and it's worked really well for years, but it wasn't until, you know, he started to come over more frequently and we started to notice that he would have sort of like sinus issues. So we did a couple of experiments and it turns out it's the wallflowers. So I think essential oils is going to be the route for me to go. So I'm excited to add these to my little cocktails of essential oils that we've been trying out. And if you guys didn't get the essential oils, you did get a body whip or like body cream from Anthropologie. So moving on to this. What is this? Should I cheat? This is the Halsten Jewelry Portfolio. Keep your jewelry tangle-free in this large zip-around portfolio. 3 organizational sections for rings, bracelets, and necklaces. It retails for $48. That's pretty. I thought it was going to be like a planner or something. What a good idea. All right, so here we go. When you open it up, it looks like a little agenda or something. And then you have this tab. I'm guessing this is for earrings. Do you see the perforations on it? I'm guessing that's for earrings. You have a little zipper here, probably for rings and bracelets. Or actually, this might be for rings. You slide the rings in there and then put your bracelets in here. And then over here, you can hang your necklaces. So you hang your necklaces here and they don't tangle with each other. I think this is a really great gift idea, and it's also great that it arrived right now around the holidays, that everyone's traveling, because if you're gonna be traveling, you wanna look pretty with your sparkly jewels, you have a really nice way to travel with them. It keeps them nice and flat. You can just throw it in your suitcase and you'll know exactly how to find them. Have you guys ever traveled with jewelry and you put it in either like your toiletry bag or in a Ziploc? I can say that I have done that I've 100% done it. Not proud, but it gets the job done. But now that's why things like this exist. So we don't put things in Ziploc bags that may or may not have Star Wars characters on them. The last thing in the winter box is the Mark & Graham personalized gifts throw. Okay, how many of you guys have seen the Mark & Graham things on Instagram? I feel like it's one of those Truman Show things where like the walls are watching, and every time I see a Mark & Graham thing, I want to order it. It looks super, 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 super awesome and luxe and nice, but I'll click on it and then I see the price and I secretly faint because I'm like, oh man, that's expensive, but I totally still want it. So this is from that brand, Mark & Graham, and you could have gotten the natural ivory or the gray ivory, and this retails for $49. It is a throw. Let's see how big it is. Okay, so it's big enough to cover the entire camera view. This is a lovely throw. I almost wish I hadn't opened it and then I could have used it as a Christmas present. Okay, I just can't believe I said that on whatever. Okay, so it has 2 different colors. Do you guys see? It's split. So it's like a Neapolitan ice cream sandwich. Whatever. It's super, super thin, super lightweight, but it's very warm. This is the perfect blanket to have folded on your couch so that whenever you want to just cuddle and be warm, or your baby wakes up early and he tries to lay on the couch, you can cover him up with it because it's lightweight, it's breathable. It's a neutral color. I love this color combination. And it's just so nice and warm. Anyway, that is it for this FabFitFun winter unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I do have a $10 promo code. It's CoffeeDani. It gets you $10 off your very first box. Don't forget that if you guys upgrade to the annual membership, you do get first picks at add-ons. You do get first picks for certain items in these boxes. So you get a couple of added perks. If you guys know you're going to be getting it 4 times a year because you love it so much, like, then it's worth just upgrading to the annual. Anyway, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will also leave a link to a playlist of all my other FabFitFun videos in the description box below, along with a link to how I got this makeup look and all of the other stuff that I'm wearing on my body and my nails and my lips, etc, etc, etc. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!